Hey everyone, ever spotted that fuzzy, unwelcome guest creeping into your home? Yes, I'm talking about mold. It's not just unsightly, it can be a health hazard and damage your home. But what actually kills mold? Let's find out. First, a quick lesson. Mold is a type of fungus that thrives in damp, dark, and humid conditions. It reproduces through tiny spores that float in the air. When these spores land on a damp surface with a food source like wood or drywall, they start to grow and spread. One of the most popular and effective natural mold killers is white vinegar. Its acetic acid can kill up to 82% of mold species, even black mold. It penetrates porous surfaces, getting to the root of the problem, unlike some surface cleaners. Just spray undiluted vinegar directly on the mold, let it sit for at least an hour, then scrub and dry. The strong smell fades quickly. Next up, hydrogen peroxide. The standard 3% solution found in pharmacies is a great option. It works by releasing oxygen, which breaks down the mold's cellular structure. You can spray it on surfaces like counters, glass, and walls, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then scrub away the mold. It's generally safer than bleach and doesn't leave a strong odor. Borax, a natural mineral, is another excellent mold inhibitor. It's alkaline, which makes the environment unsuitable for mold growth, disrupting its life cycle. Mix 1 cup of borax with a gallon of hot water, apply it, scrub, and you don't even need to rinse it off. Leaving a thin layer can help prevent regrowth. Now let's talk about bleach. While many people reach for it, bleach is not always the most effective solution for mold. It primarily kills surface mold on non-porous surfaces like tiles, but on porous materials like wood or drywall, it often just changes the mold's color, allowing the roots to grow deeper, making the problem worse. Plus, it contains water, which can actually feed mold that survives beneath the surface. No matter what you use, always wear protective gear like gloves, goggles, and a mask to avoid inhaling spores. And remember, killing mold is only half the battle. The best way to control mold is to control moisture. Fix leaks, ensure good ventilation, and keep humidity low. If the moldy area is larger than 10 square feet, or if you suspect it's deep within walls, it's time to call a professional. So, while mold can be a nuisance, armed with the right knowledge and tools like vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or borax, you can tackle small infestations safely and effectively. Keep your home dry and say goodbye to mold. Subscribe for more fun facts.